Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of your earbuds is not reliable. Firstly, we need to check for updates, so open TOZO app and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. After that you will see the same menu, this one, and you need to go to the settings at the right top. At the second line we have OTA update. Tap at this line, it check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version, firmware version is the same as software. If you haven't, in this menu you can download and install this update. Next step, if it didn't help you, you need to place your earbuds to the charging case. You can close the case or do not close it. Right now, as you can see, disconnected. So you wait about 15 seconds and the battery level of your charging case and your earbuds will update. And after this time, you just remove your earbuds from the case and then check it. If it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. And right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And after that we need to turn off these headphones. At the back side of your earbuds we have touch areas. You need to press and hold at the both of these touch areas until you will see the red LED light. Here we go. Now you can release your finger and then press and hold again. And you need to check if the LED light flashing blue. So just press and hold it. If it starts flashing blue and red, you need to... I will tell you later. Now, press and hold on it because we need to turn on them. So it's like 3 seconds. And after that, we need to wait until this... reset finished, and then we can easily reconnect them by just tap on them. But just tap on it. If you press and hold and it starts flashing red and blue, I recommend it to. It means that you enter to prank mode, so you need to reconnect your earbuds with your phone. Then you need to repeat this process. So you need to remove them, then turn off, and then press and hold again. And you need to see flashing LED light. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.